Okay, it's May of 2021. I just brought home the pop-up camper. I'm going to be doing a 1-year review on some of the repairs I did on this camper. It was stored in a barn or a metal pole shed all winter, and it's kept out of the snow, so it's dirty. It's got a lot of bird shit on it and whatnot. That's a barn, what you want. So it looks okay, except this is going on. This is clearly a failure. I don't remember this hole being there last year. So it was covered over with paint or Flex Seal, and I picked it off just today. So I don't know what's going on here. But I'm going to wash it up, pop it up, take a look and see what's going on. Alright, so I'm going to wash the top of this camper. First time I've washed it since putting the Flex Seal on it. Over here, I just used some Quicksilver epoxy putty. So I'm going to have to go over that spot. So I'm going to wash it and see what other spots may have come up, but I really want to get the bird shit off of it first. So, alright. Get ready for a not so sexy camper wash. Alright, well, I'll give you a peek. You can tell how hard I was to wash it. It wasn't hard at all, it came off pretty good. Only thing is I'm getting streaks here. So, I'll have to re-wash it all over again to try to address the streaks I have going down the side. So, yeah, let me finish it up. Alright, looks like you got a little bit wet there. I'll wash it all again. It's supposed to rain, so I just wanted to get the bird poo off of it, see how it turned out. A couple of spots, and I'm sure if I hit it, wipe it down, it would clean up real nice. But again, it's going to rain, so I am not going to do any more with this. So theoretically, it's going to be the first rain in 6 months. So we'll see how it takes it. Then I'll open it up. Being in the barn, I'm hoping if there were any mice in there, they're trying to get out now. So, alright, that's it for now. Alright, welcome back to Jamming in Their Repair. This is a 1-year review of the 303 waterproofing than I did last June. And so it's been 11 months. I literally just took it out of storage, well, last weekend. I opened it up just before I made the video. So this is what it came out of storage looking like. I don't see any mold growing on anything, so that's good. I stored it in the barn at one of my customers' places. He rents out space. So earlier you may have seen the I cleaned the roof off the camper, and that's all I've done to it. So I'm gonna get it wet, see how it does. All right, so I say that's good enough, wet enough. The top of it, I hope it shows in the video, is all beaded up. I'm gonna go and cut the wires on that stupid camera I have. So, right here it didn't bead up, but here it did. Seems okay though. The test is going to be on the inside, see if we have any leaks. Alright. Have a little water right there. Must have came through the door. Yeah, there you go. Don't see any leaks on the ceiling. Everything seems to be dry in here. So I would say, so far, after 1 year, I'm satisfied with the performance of the 303 product. So, excellent. I don't think I'm going to reseal it this year. I was debating if I should do it every year or not. I think I'm going to skip a year and see how it goes. So, alright, good. Just a follow-up video on the 303 camper waterproofing. And I appreciate it. Again, shoot me a message if you have a question. If you saw my waterproofing video earlier, you want to know something, let me know. Thank you. Bye-bye.